Officials say the first case was detected here at Brookline High School 3 weeks ago. Now 15 people in town are infected. Pertussis is also sometimes called the 100-day cough. It can cause serious illness in young children and babies. Officials say 99% of seniors at Brookline High are vaccinated, but doctors say even high vaccination rates do not necessarily prevent outbreaks.
The vaccine's only so effective at preventing infection, like many vaccines are. They are usually really good at preventing severe disease, but don't always prevent infections.
Health officials say whooping cough spreads easily, but the risk of a public infection is very low right now. The CDC says early symptoms can look like a common cold before an infected person develops rapid and uncontrolled coughing fits. The coughing can cause a whoop noise when someone gasps for air. It can be so violent some people have fractured their ribs during those coughing fits. The cough can last up to 10 weeks in some patients. Doctors say vaccines for pregnant women, children, and a 10-year booster for everyone can help prevent infections. We're live in Brookline this morning. Jennifer Egan, WCVB News Center 5.